This video will show an example of how to calculate earnings per share and price earnings ratio using user input into our function. Now I will show you how to make these functions. The first function is earnings per share, which takes in net income, we've got a float, and average number of shares, also a float. We will call it EPS for short, which takes in the net income divided by the average number of shares. Let's print these out. Curly brackets, colon, dot 2f is the two floating point numbers after the decimal. Dot format function, pass in our EPS variable. The second function we want to make is the price earnings ratio, which takes in market price per share, also a float, then earnings per share, also a float. PER is our shorthand for price earning ratio, market price per share divided by earnings per share. Print it out, price earnings ratio equals curly brackets, colon, dot 2f, dot format, and our PER variable. Okay, now we call our functions. Earnings per share function takes in the net income. This will be 735.9. Average number of shares, 76.2. We get 9.66. Now let's call our other function, price earnings ratio. The market price per share, 199.36. And since we have earnings per share is 9.66. Price earnings ratio is 20.64.